two powerhouse insurers, countless satisfied customers, but when it comes down to protecting what matters most, which one takes the lead? On one side, we have Nationwide, trusted coast to coast. And on the other, American Family Insurance, the choice for millions across the country. Let's get past the advertising slogans and focus on what really counts. We'll put each to the test across several key categories and tally up the points so you get a clear winner. The answer might just surprise you. So here's a quick mind map of what we'll cover. First up, price and discounts, then customer service, coverage options, digital experience, financial strength and trust, and finally, availability. Ready? Let's do this. Let's kick it off with price and discounts. Nationwide is, honestly, pretty solid here. They've got competitive base rates and those classic bundling discounts if you tack on home or life insurance. But I have to say, their discounts overall are kinda average, and if you're a newer driver, your rates might not be as low as you'd like. Now, AMFAM comes in swinging with some super creative discounts. Seriously, if you're young, loyal, or fit a special group, you might snag lower rates with them. The catch? You often have to jump through a few hoops or meet specific criteria to qualify, and if your claims get a little complicated, your rates can creep up. Bottom line, AMFAM definitely takes the crown here for all that discount variety. Next up, customer service. Nationwide shines in the big national rankings, JD Power likes them, and you can reach someone pretty much any time, which is so convenient. Okay, some folks have mixed feelings about the local agents in certain regions, but overall, really solid. AMFAM, on the other hand, leans hard into that neighborhood touch. Their local agents can feel like your insurance BFFs, and their claims app is honestly pretty helpful. That said, if you're outside the main states they serve, the response might slow down a bit, plus people have grumbled about a few app bugs. Nationwide wins this round with its consistency and round-the-clock help. Let's talk coverage options. Nationwide brings the full menu: auto, home, life, even pet insurance. And you can jazz up your policy with extras like accident forgiveness or a vanishing deductible, but yep, you might pay more for all those bells and whistles. Now, AMFAM isn't slacking either. They offer some cool twists like their Know Your Drive program, telematics, anyone, gap insurance, and lots of add-ons. They cover pretty much everything you'd want, though depending on your state, those options might change a little. No clear winner here. Both of these guys know how to build a nice safety net. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Nationwide actually started way back in 1926 as a mutual auto insurer for, get this, farmers? Talk about humble beginnings. Now, digital experience. Nationwide has a modern app where you can do all your policy stuff, and getting a quote online is super quick, which, let's be honest, is kinda the dream. Sometimes the app gets a little cranky with logins, but overall, it's smooth. AMFAM, they've got the basics for mobile claims and tools online, but their website's a tad old school and the app isn't quite as slick or powerful. Digital edge, that goes to Nationwide. Okay, financial strength and trust. Nationwide is, well, Nationwide, they've got an A+ from AM Best, have been around forever and just feel rock solid. Maybe even a little too corporate at times, depending on your taste. AMFAM's got serious street cred in the regions they serve and good financial ratings, but they don't have the same national footprint. So if you're looking for a safe bet with that tried and true rep, Nationwide wins by a mile here. Last up, availability. Nationwide is in all 50 states, period. Local agents, national offices, no matter where you live in the country, they've got you covered. AMFAM, on the flip side, is awesome if you're in the Midwest or one of their specialty regions, but hey, if you're not in those areas, you're out of luck. Big win for Nationwide, it's just more well available. If you map these out on a radar chart, you'll see Nationwide pretty much dominates where it counts, especially on reach, reliability, and trust, while AMFAM's big spike really comes from their unique discounts and personalized service in their regions. So at the end of the day, here's how I see it. If you want coverage you never have to second guess, no matter where work or life takes you, Nationwide's a seriously strong pick. But if you live in AMFAM territory and want that local agent who remembers your kid's name, plus some cool discounts if you qualify, don't sleep on them. Each one has its niche, but overall, Nationwide is just the safer all-around bet. Found this insurance face-off useful? Tap to stay covered for the next comparison.